What's up guys, it's Adrian and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been MIA, but wait till you see what I have to show you today. Today I'm going to cover dynamic ads in Facebook and Instagram, and it is a game changer. I apologize for not showing this to you guys earlier, but this is literally a game changer and it will save you a lot of money. So first things first, what is dynamic ads? Basically, dynamic ads is a feature in Facebook Business Ads Manager that allows you to run multiple tests on content creatives, on headlines, on the copy, on the button inside of Meta. So instead of spending money testing a bunch of different ads, all you have to do is turn on dynamic creative, upload all your different ad creatives, all the different headlines, all the different copy, and all the different buttons, and then Facebook will do the rest for you. It's so easy, so effective, and so cost efficient. Now, I've been doing this for a while now for a lot of my clients, but I have not been able to make a video on it yet. But today I want to show you guys exactly how to do it and exactly how I do it. So with that being said, let me jump into my computer and show you exactly how I have it set up in one of my test campaigns. All right guys, so check this out. I'm inside the ad level. You can see that it only shows one ad, but if I go to breakdown and then go all the way down to dynamic creative elements and then go to images, you can see that inside this one ad I have 4 ads. So rather than having 4 different ads, I have one ad where the algorithm is testing each one to see which one performs better. And you can see right here that the algorithm chose this video over the other 3. Now, this is great because now I can test more efficiently. And I'm not only testing the creatives, I'm also testing text, different copy. So if I go to copy, you can see I'm testing 2 different copy, and the algorithm has chose this copy. This one is the winner. And now if I want to create another ad or test another copy against it, I test against the winning copy. Now you can also test different website URLs, call to action, descriptions, headlines, all inside one ad, which is what makes dynamic creative ads so powerful. Now, if you're new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and while you're at it, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment. So there you have it. You can clearly see that now you can test a bunch of different variables in only one ad. Now, this is super useful because instead of spending so much money on different ad sets to test different ad copies, different headlines, different creatives, you can now put it all inside one ad, turn on dynamic ads, and then let Facebook's algorithm choose the correct one for you. Now, you may be saying, but shouldn't we give all the ads a fair shot? My answer to that is no. Facebook algorithm is really smart. So if it decides in favor of one, then believe it and trust it. Trust that the algorithm knows exactly what it's doing, because honestly, 9 times out of 10, it is right. If some of your other creatives don't perform well, then there's a reason that Facebook algorithm didn't choose that one. So now this kind of makes your job a little bit easier as an artist, because now all you have to do is create one ad and let the algorithm decide which ad is the best. Now, once you have the winning ad, I'll show you in another video on what to do with it. And I've been using dynamic ads to test on all of my e-commerce brands, on all of my clients, and I've been getting great results and returns for all of my clients. So I've been using this on more and more artists. At first I was testing it and I started seeing good results on myself, and then I started using it for more and more artists, and they've also been getting great results. So now I just thought it was fair to share this with you guys, because I'm trying to help you guys and I want you guys to be successful as well. So let me actually take you to my computer and show you how to set one of these up. Cool. So how do you set one of these up? Basically, you go to create, and then inside create, you can choose whichever one you want. For the sake of this video, we're gonna go with traffic. So I click traffic, I go to manual traffic campaign, continue. By the way, guys, Facebook is really pushing automatic everything. So you can actually get really good results from the automatic stuff. So like advantage, campaign budget, like all of that would be really useful. So now inside of the ad set, basically it's right here. You go ahead and you turn on dynamic creative. Once you turn on dynamic creative, this allows you to use multiple ads. Now, you don't want to have too many dynamic creatives going at the same time, because you don't want to test too many variables at the same time. So I would recommend starting with 1 or 2 max, and then using that same dynamic creative in different interests. So for this one, we're just going to leave everything broad. Again, you can see Facebook is trying to push automatic everything. They pre-select everything for you, and you can get great results from that. So if anyone says that you don't do it automatic, it's a preference, but you can do automatic and get great results. So now inside of the ad level is where you create the dynamic creatives. I would suggest testing no more than 3 creatives at a time. Now basically what you do, you can test images or you could test videos. I would suggest also testing static against static, meaning images against images and videos against videos. So in this case, we're gonna go with videos. Now, all I'm gonna do is, let's say I go to my Instagram page and then I find 3 videos. So let's say this one, and this one. Press continue. See, now all 3 of those videos are selected. Now what you can also do is you can test captions against each other. So caption 1, just pretend there's a caption there. Caption 2, caption 3. You can also test headlines against each other. So what Facebook is going to do is they're gonna rotate all of these with each other to see which combination gets the best results. And then they're going to push that result. So what I'm telling you guys to do is to trust the algorithm. If the algorithm says this combination of text and headline and content is the best performing one, then just assume that it's the best performing one, and then you use that one as the new control, and then you try to beat it with other options. So you can also, again, test different descriptions, also URLs, and also buttons. So you can do learn more, you can do listen now. So you can test all of these against each other, which is what makes it so powerful and really exciting. So when you're previewing, it may only show you one, but it is in fact testing all the combinations against each other. So that's pretty much how you set it up. First, you have to go to dynamic creative, turn dynamic creative on, then you go to the ad level, then you upload your 2 to 3 ads. I wouldn't go over 5, but I recommend sticking with 2 to 3 creatives and sticking with 2 text and 2 headlines. Again, you don't want to test too many variables. So my advice and suggestion to you is 2 to 3 creatives, 2 copy, and 2 headlines. And that's it. You can also test descriptions too, but it doesn't really matter. and then all you do is publish, and then you're all good to go. All right, guys, so I hope you found value from this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and drop me a comment. Now, if you are an artist and you don't have the time and don't have the energy to actually do this or do ads for yourself or marketing for yourself in general, I'm gonna put a link under this video. Go and click that link, and it'll give me an opportunity to find out exactly what you need help with. And if it makes sense, then I can help you with your marketing. So go and fill out that link if you're interested in working together. Now, if you did like this video, there's gonna be more videos just like this one that pops up right here. So go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over in those videos.